Привіт, hello. Can you say that? Привіт. 65,000 Ukrainian people have come to the UK recently. If you're in school, школа. Can you say that? Школа. Maybe you have some new starters who are Ukrainian and they will be trying to learn English. Англійську. Англійську. Can you say that? Angilisku. I'd like you to try and imagine the space between a Ukrainian person who speaks no English, Angieliskoyu. There's a slight difference. Angieliskoyu. Try saying it. Angieliskoyu. And an English person who speaks no Ukrainian, Ukrainskoyu. Ukrainskoyu. Try it. Ukrainskoyu. Ukrainian person, тут. Тут means here. And an English speaker, here. What's the word for here? Тут. The Ukrainian is in an English-speaking country and they are learning Angilisku. Try it. Angilisku. It's difficult. It's very hard work, a lot of hard work. Progress is slow. He or she would prefer to be at home speaking Ukrainskoyu. Try it. Ukrainskoyu. They are closing the gap through their hard work. It's not easy. There is so much to learn and they have a lot to think about anyway. So if they are closing the gap, why should we learn Ukrainsku? Try it. Ukrainsku. Reason 1. If we learn some Ukrainskoyi, different again, Ukrainskoyi, try it, Ukrainskoyi, that will make it a little bit easier for Ukrainian people. Reason 2, if we learn some Ukrainskoyi, maybe we can visit our new friends in Ukraini, try that, Ukraini, when peace comes and they're able to return to their homeland. Reason 3. If we learn some Ukrainskoyi, try it, Ukrainskoyi, maybe Ukrainian people will feel like their language doesn't have to be abandoned. Reason 4. If we learn some Ukrainskoyi, your turn, Ukrainskoyi, the Ukrainian people get to be the experts for a while. Reason 5. Lots of Ukrainsky sliv, and that means Ukrainian words, try that, Ukrainsky sliv, Ukrainsky sliv, Ukrainian words, are not too difficult, such as chocolate. Chocolate means chocolate. Try saying that. Chocolate. Chocolate. And fontan. Fontan means fountain. And fantastichny means fantastic. Try that. Fantastichny. Fantastichny. Even if we don't meet Ukrainians halfway, there are lots of good reasons to take a few steps with our own learning, even if it's just for 10 minutes a day. So here are today's words. Ukrainskoyu means Ukrainian. Which one is that? Szkola means school. Which one is that? Chocolate means chocolate. Which one is that? Jaki це means which one is that? Українською. Jaki це? Школа. Jaki це? Шоколад. Jaki це? Англійську. Jaki це? Фонтан. Jaki це? Фантастичний. Jaki це? You can keep playing with those if you would like to. That's everything I have for you today. I hope that you decide to learn Ukrainian. You can do that with Duolingo, with LinkQ, with the Ukrainian people in your life, or back here where I will present Ukrainian phrases for schools with my Ukrainian teacher rather than my voice next time, the very gentle voiced Victoria. Get a preview now if you like. Here, do pobacenia. Try that. Do pobacenia.